Setting up your Dell D3100 docking station requires following a specific sequence to ensure proper functionality. The key is installing drivers before connecting any hardware. First, verify that your laptop has a USB 3.0 port. The Dell D3100 requires USB 3.0 connectivity for optimal performance and will not function properly with older USB 2.0 ports. Before connecting any hardware, download and install the latest DisplayLink drivers from Dell's support website. This critical step prevents device conflicts and ensures proper recognition. The DisplayLink driver installation includes a system compatibility check. Once the check passes successfully, proceed with the installation to ensure your system can support the docking station. The Dell D3100 supports multiple operating systems including Windows 11, Mac OS Monterey, and later versions with Apple Silicon support, and modern Linux distributions like Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. After driver installation, the DisplayLink software will prompt you to connect your device for first-time configuration. This ensures proper device recognition and optimal performance. Following this sequence, verifying USB 3.0 compatibility, installing drivers first, then connecting hardware, ensures a smooth setup process and prevents common configuration issues. The Dell D3100 docking station provides comprehensive connectivity for displays and peripherals. Let's examine the available ports and connection options. The docking station supports up to 3 external displays simultaneously. 2 displays connect via HDMI ports, and 1 additional display connects through the display port. After connecting your monitors, you'll need to configure the display settings in your operating system. Windows provides comprehensive display management options. For maximum productivity, configure your displays in extended mode rather than mirrored mode. This gives you separate desktop space on each monitor, allowing you to run different applications simultaneously. Beyond displays, the docking station provides extensive peripheral connectivity. Multiple USB ports accommodate keyboards, mice, external drives, and other devices. For optimal performance, use USB 3.0 ports for your devices whenever possible. USB 3.0 provides significantly faster data transfer speeds compared to USB 2.0. Important note about power delivery. While the D3100 provides up to 65 watts of power, not all laptops support charging through the docking station. Check your laptop specifications to determine if additional power is needed. With displays and peripherals properly connected, your Dell D3100 docking station transforms any laptop into a powerful workstation. The extended desktop space and centralized connectivity significantly enhance productivity for professional workflows.